We are here because we love you, Congresswoman Ilhan Omar. We are here because we will never stop fighting for you. It's not that the marginalized are voiceless, it's that they are unheard. And so to that I say, can you hear us now? Hands off, Ilhan. We love you, Ilhan. I love you, my sister, and thank you all for being here. And I cannot stand that they continue to police her. They continue to police our words. They continue to police our positions. But I say hands off. Hands off of the women of color that serve in the United States Congress.
We will not participate in the legitimation of xenophobia, Islamophobia, anti-Semitism, racism, and misogyny.
When they shove that to us and say we're the party of hate, they forget that we're the party of love. We're the party of compassion. We're the party of inclusiveness. Because when we are talking about anti-Semitism, we must also talk about Islamophobia. It's two sides of the same coin of bigotry. We collectively must make sure that we are dismantling all systems of oppression. I got you, and we gonna be all right.